Hey guys, this is Kelsey from Frankly Natural Beauty, and I'm here with my mom Kathy, and we're going to be making a poop emoji cupcake soap.
And it's gonna be scented with this fragrance oil from Nature's Garden that's called Monkey Farts. It's really good. I mean, even the sound is like, oh, Monkey Farts. That's not a good name for a fragrance oil, but actually it is. It's really, really a good smelling fragrance oil. It smells almost like a cocktail, tropical cocktail of fruit and berries. It is delicious. So we're gonna go and make that for you guys. Let's go and get soaping. Hi everyone, it's Kathy. I'm back. I had the flu, but I am feeling a lot better now, so we'll start soaping again. And today we're gonna make a really cool soap. Actually, we're gonna make cupcakes. I'm gonna make the emoji poop cupcakes. Yay! I know my Kelsey didn't want to make them at first, but then she changed her mind. She said that we should make them. What we have here, we have this beautiful fragrance oil from Nature's Garden that's called the Monkey Farts, and it smells delicious. It smells like bananas to me, and all kinds of tropical fruit like pineapple, bananas, mangoes, all kinds of cocktail beautiful fruits. That's what it smells like. It's really cool. And then I made actually these googly eyes, the eyes and the smiles for the cupcakes. And we're gonna make the base is gonna have different colors. So I have a red over here, and I have yellow, and let's see, what else do we have? We have green, and we have blue, and we have the mix of two browns over here. I have actually brambleberry, cappuccino mica in there, and the Crafter's Choice brown mica powder. And for the green that I just showed you guys, it's Kermit Green from Brambleberry, Rustic Essential Almost Ice Mica, and Brambleberry Red Mica. Alright, so let's start and mix our base first. We have our usual oils in here. We have sweet almond oil, coconut oil, palm oil, olive oil, and castor oil. Okay, so our lye water solution is right here, and they are about the same temperature, and kind of like a very I have the lye water that was like about around 75, and this was around 80. Okay, so we have 5 degrees difference. So we're gonna put our lye water in here. It's very cold today, and we don't understand why, because spring's supposed to be coming, but it's not. It's very disturbing, because I want some sunshine. Alright. So like I said, you know, it's March 6th, and we had snow today. It didn't stick, but still it was pretty cold. So that's why I want to make something tropical. I know Monkey Farts, it's kind of a funny name for that, but it's a very beautiful fragrance oil. I love it. I also have in here the sodium lactate, okay? Okay, so I'm going to blend this together, the lye solution, you know, the water, the lye solution, and the oils, and I'll be back in a sec. Alright, so what I did here, I didn't film that, I mean, because I didn't think it was necessary. But what I did here, I got a pound and a half here and a pound and a half here of soap. So I'm going to reserve this for my frosting, and this one is going to be for my base. So we're going to work on the base first. We're going to put half of the Monkey Farts in there. Fragrance oil. Okay. There we go. It's about half. And we're gonna stir it. My God, it smells like I don't know, like a candy. Like a, almost not a Jolly Rancher, but reminds me of candy. What do you think, Els?
Yeah, I think it smells like the those Willy Wonka candies that were shaped like fruit.
Mm-hmm. They do smell like candy. Ooh, you know what? Kind of like Starburst a little bit. Like the strawberry watermelon Starburst.
Or like those candies that were shaped like fruit from the early 2000s.
Mm-hmm. Alright. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I am going to put a big scoop of this titanium dioxide in here to lighten it up for the base. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay. And I'm gonna blend it up because this stuff doesn't mix very well without blending. I'm gonna mix it up a little bit and blend it. Okay, I mixed all the colorants together in these little cups here. So I have all the red, the yellow, the blue, and the green in here. And I'm gonna do in the pot swirl. I'm gonna do it like here and here. Blue is so nice. And I'm gonna do all of them like this. I'm just gonna dump all of them in here because I want it to be like really fun. Fun and swirly. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna do a little swirl, just because I don't want it to be too muddy. And there you go. And now we're gonna put it in our cupcake molds right over here. Let me move this a little bit. And we're gonna put this in here. See, it's like a it's really fun, Kelsey, isn't it? So I do not know if this is gonna be all enough for this. I just didn't know how many this holds. I'm gonna smack it down a little bit, so we're gonna stop. Alright, so I filled all the cupcakes over here, all the molds, and we have, let's see, we have 16 cupcakes. This makes 16 cupcakes. There's an extra one over here you can't see probably. But that's what I made, 16 cupcakes, and now we're gonna put the frosting on it. And it's gonna be brown, like the poop emoji. And it's gonna look fantastic. So let's go and do that. Let's move this aside and we're gonna do that. Alright, so now I'm gonna make my frosting, and we're gonna make it really brown. Really brown. I hope I can get it as brown as I can. If we can't, well, we're gonna use more brown. Okay, so let's see how this works. Well, it's a pretty nice brown. Ooh, this is beautiful. I really like this. That's a nice color. What do you think, Els? Because so what I'm going to do now, I am going to blend it until it gets really nice and thick. And I'm gonna put the fragrance oil here, whatever is left. And we're gonna blend it and make it thick, and we'll come back and frost them. As our frosting is ready, so it's a little bit tough, but we're gonna try to do this. Kind of miscalculated the timing here. Okay guys, here are the poop emojis cupcakes. I'm gonna unmold them in a second here. That's what they look like. Some I like different than the others because they're handmade, so they're a little bit different from each other. But they're really cute and they smell amazing. Okay, so let's go and unmold them. See what they look like outside the cupcake, underneath it. Alright, there you go. Look how cute this is. It has all kinds of different colors. It's really neat, huh? And so let's grab another one. Let's see. Oh yeah, they come out really, wow, look like little rainbows there. Pretty cool, huh? And I'm gonna just do all of these, and some of them, they don't have a lot of colors. Because I guess when I did that, you know, at the end, the color kind of was running out of color, but you know, they're still really cool. But these are really neat. They have all the colors in there. See, these are really cool. They look really cool. They look like I don't know, like a fabric. Like those 70s fabric.
Or like a cocktail.
Like a cocktail. Okay. But here they are. They're really cool. So I'm gonna unmold all of them, and then I'm gonna show you really closely. Okay. So that's what they look like. All of them. They're really cute, our poopy emoji. Anyway, guys, I hope you liked this video. I hope you subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. Just you know, we're making another one today, another video that's gonna be a monkey fart soap, and it's gonna be a loaf. So we're gonna show you that one too. So don't forget to ring the bell down there, tap on the bell. That will be notified when we have a new video coming on. Thank you so much. If you want to buy this cupcake, it's going to cure for 4 weeks from now. And it's going to be available on our Etsy shop, Fragrant Natural Beauty, April 6th. So go check it out. We're going to put the link in there when it's ready. Okay, thank you so much for watching. See you next time.